Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing Halo Beauty by Tati Westbrook. It's a hair, skin, and nail supplement, and I actually ordered a case of 3. I don't have the other container, sorry. I just didn't want to keep clutter, but I kept the one because I was like, oh, I need to review these because they're really good. But I wanted to try it for a while before I was like, oh my god guys, this is amazing. But yes, this is amazing, and it cleared up my skin so much. By the way, this is a new location. This is my bedroom. I just was kind of getting a little bored of the white backdrop, so we're now in my room. And I know I haven't been on YouTube for a couple months, but I'm back. Anyway, back to what you're after this. So yeah, I've been taking them for about 2 months, or well, 2 and a quarter of a month. Yeah. So I finished this one, I finished another one, and now I'm about a quarter of the way through this one. And you take 2 a day, and it helps with your hair and your skin. Like if your skin is acne prone, it'll help it clear it up for sure. It did that for mine. It also helped brighten my skin up. And your nails, which my nails don't look that great right now because I just kind of peeled off my gel manicure, so I'm not going to show you those. But yeah, it definitely, they definitely grow faster. So I'm always redoing my gel manicure. So I guess that's a good thing, but a little annoying, but it's still good. But the real benefits I saw was for my skin. That was the main reason why I wanted to try the supplements out, because I have acne prone skin, and my skin is a combination. It'll be oily, and then some will be dry patches. And I just kind of wanted to even it out. I also have eczema really bad. I have it on the back of my neck, and sometimes it comes in through my hairline, so I wanted to see if it would help with that a little bit. It didn't really affect that so much, but it definitely helped with the acne on my face, especially around my period and stuff like that. It definitely took down the amount of hormonal acne I was getting, which is nice. I was not getting those big cystic zits, which it was pretty much on the dot. Whenever I would get my period, I would get this annoying, really painful cystic zit, and those haven't been happening anymore. So, and I'm guessing it's this Halo Beauty hair, skin, and nails. What they claim to do is to promote thick and luxurious hair growth. I think, I don't know if I necessarily noticed hair growth. My hair is definitely shinier and it looks a little healthier, but I don't know, my hair grows pretty quickly on its own, so I didn't notice any difference in the growth, but it's definitely shinier and healthier looking. Minimizes fine lines and wrinkles. I actually noticed that on my forehead. Lots of times when I raise my eyebrows, I get those I guess, what are they? They're not smile lines, but they're I don't know. Those ones that go like this across your forehead. I get those when I raise my eyebrows. I think, is it happening? Yeah, it's happening. Anyway, I get those when I raise my eyebrows, and sometimes when I'm relaxed, the lines will still stay. I noticed that was fading away and it was less noticeable. Supports collagen and keratin production. That's just, pretty much hair, skin, and nail stuff. And yes, because promotes strong and healthy nails. It definitely helps with my nails. My nails don't break anymore. My nails were breaking. They weren't really growing fast. Now they grow fast, so I'm constantly having to redo my gel manicure more. So I don't really have a problem with nail growth, but they're not necessarily strong. But now they're strong, but they grow a ton. So you win some, you lose some with that. But it's better for them to be healthy. So with anti-gray fighting enzymes, well, I have some grays, but it's not crazy yet, so I don't know if it's fighting them off or not. And it says it does, so we'll see in a year from now or a couple years from now if I stay, brunette and I don't get salty looking. So we'll see. But yeah, I really enjoy them. You take 2 a day, and I will take my 2 for today right now since I haven't taken mine yet. I take them. Yeah. And you take 2, and they have vitamin C, vitamin D3, vitamin B1, vitamin B2, vitamin B6, biotin, zinc, copper, magnesium, calatase. Catalase. I don't know. Rosehip powder, saw palmetto, grapeseed extract. I don't know, a lot of good stuff. And it definitely has, a lot of people have asked me about them because I posted about these on my Instagram story before, and everyone was like, what is that? And does it actually help? Or, you know, and I told them like it does, and everyone was asking me like, is it different from a normal hair, skin, and nail vitamin? And it definitely is. Like, I have like a Nature Made one downstairs, and it definitely has biotin in it, and you know, some of the same stuff, but there's definitely differences. And like grapeseed extract, that's not in there. Just like a lot of different stuff. So as far as pricing, they're pretty pricey. I think a bottle of these is, let me double check. I could like go look on her thing, her YouTube right now. Let me go do that.
Dark secret about how they make money, and I want to show it to you because if you're clever, you can actually use it to make money off of all their...
Hey guys, welcome to today's video.
Okay, the hair, skin, and nail vitamin that Tati makes is $39.95. So they are a little pricey, especially when you like consider like drugstore options, because some of them are like 10 or 15 bucks, so like triple the price. So yeah, they are a little pricey, but you get a discount if you get 3, which is what I did because I actually wanted to really try them. And I personally think only trying a supplement for a month, like you're not gonna see the true results, especially after like 2 weeks when people like post reviews and they've only been like using them for like 2 weeks. Like, no, like it's a vitamin, like it has to go into your body, and like your hair has to grow, your nails have to grow, your skin has to have, you know, cell turnover and all that stuff. So I really wanted to give it like a go and give you guys the best review I could of them by actually putting myself through it. I'm definitely gonna buy them again when I'm finished with my last one. And the funny thing is I didn't even buy these to review. I just honestly wanted to try it because I love Tati Westbrook. I think she's an amazing woman. Someone is cutting the grass. All right, I'm just gonna finish this up. Sorry about the lawnmower or whatever that is outside, weed whacker. So yeah, I'm definitely going to purchase these again. They did great for me, and everybody's body is different, so maybe if they work for me, they won't work for you, but they worked great for me. And Tati Westbrook is just like an amazing woman. I love watching her YouTube channel, and I love to support women who are running, you know, like CEOs and running their own businesses. I think that's amazing too. So definitely check this out. Definitely give it a go, give it a try. I would get the 3-month one and really try it out for yourself before you decide that you like it or don't. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel. I'm so excited about everything that's happening right now. I'm gonna be having a single coming out soon, and if you don't already know, I have an album, and my album is self-titled. It's called Carolyn Marie. You could stream it on Apple Music and Spotify and any sort of streaming platforms that you guys use. And then you could also buy it on my website, which is a hard copy, and I'll sign it for you too. And that's at www.carolynmariemusic.com, and you click the store link. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and it would mean the world to me if you would support my music as well. Have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah.